Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you how to safely get into the river without actually falling. It's a steep area. My camera, let me show them. It's a little bit steep.
Yeah.
It's a little bit steep, but I'm going to use this here and the branches of that tree there to safely get up to the river. So, cameraman,
Yes.
capture every angle, but safely. You make sure that you put like the sharp part of the arrow of the stick into the soil, so that you capture, so that like you have stability when you get down. So,
Oh, sorry.
that was intentional. So, and then go down. I'll take my camera, man. Where's the other shoe? You have it.
That side, that side.
The other side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Near the river.
We're in the river. So the monitor lizard usually come to bask around here.
Yes.
I guess so. Yeah, so we are in the river, and yeah, so that's how you simply do it. So now let me go and take my cameraman's. I'll just throw it.
Yeah.
So what do we do? I want to show you now how to climb back without falling. At the same time, carrying a stick. You can either use the branches. That are growing on the side of the hill, or you can use your stick. But I guess for me, I'll use the branches that are growing. So I'll just give my cameraman this, and then I want you to show them how I'm climbing. So you do it safely. Make sure that you hold on tight to these edges here, to this areas around here, and then do this.
Whoa. Be careful.
Yeah. Whew. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Toodles.